Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I've got a couple of mail calls for you. We've actually got 3 mail calls in total. Now apologies to those of you that have kindly sent me these. Some of these have been sitting here for a couple of weeks now because I just haven't had chance to film them. So I really appreciate everyone that wants to send me something, and apologies again for not unboxing it sooner. But let's get straight into today's video. Now this one is from Check Stacking, as you can see at the top there. This has actually been one of the ones that has been sitting around for a couple of weeks now, and I haven't actually got round to filming, so apologies, and thank you ever so much for sending me this. It's come all the way from the US. Really nice sticker, look at that. What an incredible sticker, look how vibrant it is. Really nice. And I will leave a link to every channel that I mentioned in today's video description. So please do head over. Please do show them some support. We've also got, oh wow, look. I've got a silver coin attached on the back of this one. So let's just peel that off. And you can see we have a placemat. Very nice. Always love my placemats. For those of you that have watched my channel for any length of time, you'll know I'm quite accustomed to a glass of whiskey whilst filming unboxings, so yeah, this will definitely get some good use, so thank you very much. Now let's leave the silver coin till last and let's read what I should have read before I even looked at the stickers, and that is the note. Now it says, "Hello 365, great channel with awesome videos. Thanks for trading swag. Enclosed is my channel sticker, a coaster and a little shiny object from the Lone Star State of Texas. Enjoy, my friend. Nazdravi, cheers, Check Stacker." So thank you very much. I will drop you a message to make sure that you're happy for me to leave your name in there before I upload this video, but I'm guessing you are because it's part of a mail call. I will leave a link to Check Stacking's channel in today's video description. Again, this is really nice as well. It's nice that it's got its own kind of card. Nice little touch there. Yeah, really cool. So let's have a look at this silver coin that has been sent, and you can see it's from Texas Precious Metals. I'm guessing that's one of his local coin shops, so shout out to Texas Precious Metals. And you can see it's a Texas silver proof $1/4, which is from 2004. It is 90% silver and 10% copper. So what a really unique piece, and let's get it out of the flip so we can have a proper look. It's got a real nice shiny, almost like a proof-like finish on this side. United States of America, $1/4. Liberty, in God we trust. Really nice, look at that. It says on this side, Texas 1845. The Lone Star State 2004. Really nice looking piece. And like I said, it's got almost like a proof finish to it as well. Definitely not a coin I'm familiar with. I haven't seen this coin before. So thank you very much for sending this across. I really appreciate it. Very generous of you to send me some actual silver as well. Pop it back in there for now. So yeah, please do head over and subscribe to Check Stacker's channel. Let's leave his, let's pop it over there like that. There we go. Let's pop that one just there. And where can we pop the letter? Let's see if we can pop that just behind there. There we go. And then that can just sit on there. Right, moving on, we have another mail call here. And again, this one's been sitting around for a couple of weeks now, so apologies. But let's get straight into it. I don't know where this one's from. It's hard to tell from the outside, but it could be from the UK because, oh yes, it's from the UK. Nerd UK. Wow, look at these. We've got some poker chips here. Anything else in there? Let me double check. Nope. Right, so we've got some stickers and some poker chips, and let's start this time with the letter. "Dear 365, hope you're well, mate. Just wanted to say thank you for your words of encouragement. Please find a few bits enclosed. Cheers, Nerd UK." Really like that font. Really fancy. I really like the fact you've drawn like a little alien down the bottom there as well, so that's really cool. And look how cool these poker chips are. Absolutely stunning colours. I really like the way you've gone for this green, which matches the green in the actual logo. Really, really nice looking. Stack, collect and grow. Very, very nice. I've actually got 2 of these, which is very kind of you. So I will send one of these and one of these stickers on to someone else next time I send some mail out. And here, let's have a closer look at the stickers. Really nice looking stickers, a nice big size as well. Stack, collect and grow, Nerd UK. So thank you very, very much, Nerd. Thank you for sending me these bits across. I will leave Nerd's channel links in the description as well, so please do head over. He's a fairly new content creator here in the UK, so please do head over and show your support. But thank you very, very much. Very generous and very kind to have sent me these bits out. Pop that over there. Is that going to fall over? Is that going to be all right? There we go. And then we've got poker chips there. Let's put those there, and we'll pop the sticker. Let's put that one there, because then we can still see the other one. There we go. And we've still got a little bit of room to play with then. So yeah, thank you very much to both of you for those mail calls. Now this one here, I believe, is from Gooner Girl. Now Gooner Girl has been a member of the stacking community for a little while now on the Discord group on Stackers Social, and she has very recently started up her own stacking channel. So please do head over and show her new channel some support. It's already growing very, very nicely, and already you can tell by her first few videos that she's done that the channel is going to perform very well, because she's very passionate about stacking and she's very authentic as well. And it's nice to have another UK stacking channel in the UK, especially a female stacker, because we haven't got many female stackers in the community as a whole, especially in the UK. So really, really cool. And wow, there's loads of stuff here. So you can see it says from Gooner Girl, your time is now. We've also got like a postcard here. Really, really nice logo there. I'm a little bit biased on the logo because I actually helped Gooner Girl create this logo. I think it's really cool. You've got some silver coins, a gold coin, and on the bar it actually says her YouTube channel's name, Your Time Is Now. But yeah, really cool. I like the fact she's put her YouTube tag down the bottom there. Now I don't really know where to start. Let's have a look. So we've got another envelope here as well from Gooner Girl, Your Time Is Now. Let's start with the letter. Wow, look at that. That is a long letter. Here we go. Hi 365, I really cannot thank you enough for all the help and support you have given me. Thank you for my logo and all the advice and encouragement. Thank you for all your content and the community you've helped build. I love your videos and I'm slowly getting through them from the start. Please accept the 2 ounces of silver, at least 1 ounce for you and the other for your next giveaway. Thanks again, GG, your time is now. Wow, that is so generous. She did actually mention to me on Stackers Social that she had sent me a piece of silver to put in my next giveaway, but she didn't mention she'd sent me one for myself as well. So that is very, very generous and I really, really appreciate that. Like I said, please do head over and subscribe to her channel and show her some support. Now, I'm not sure which piece is for the giveaway and which piece is for me, but let's start with this envelope here and see what we have inside. Wow, okay, right, so we have some swag in here. I think that's everything. Yep. So we have some stickers, really nice. These stickers look really cool. And again, I love the way you put your YouTube tag on there, and also you've got your email address on those as well. So that's a really nice touch. They've come out really, really nice. It's actually nice to see the logo close up. I think that looks really cool. Very, very nice indeed. And we've also got some more of these postcards. Oh, we've got a few bits in here. So we've got the postcards. We've got a few of these, which I'll be able to hand out to people. We've got some more stickers in here. And I really like these. Look at these. These are like business cards. Oh, that's cool. So they've got a QR code on there. If you pause the screen now and scan that, that will take you, I believe, straight to our YouTube channel. So that's a nice touch as well. Really nice. And I'll definitely, like I said, get these out to some people in my next mail calls that I send out. So thank you very, very much for sending me all these bits across. Let's pile them up down here out the way for 1 second. Right, so let's get into this one now. Wow, look, we've got loads of stuff in here. We've got some poker chips. Oh, that's really cool. Nice touch to keep the moisture out. Got some silver. We've got another bag there. Wow, loads of goodies. Okay, so we've got this here. I'm guessing that's what the coins were in and they've fallen out. So let's move that to one side. Right, okay, so we have some poker chips here as well. Really cool. And again, I'm very biased when I say I like this logo, but I do think it looks really cool. Looks nice on the black background of the poker chip. So again, I'll be sending some of these out. I'll keep hold of one for myself, but I'll send a couple of them out to some other people when I next send out some stickers. Now, wow, look at this. She's been so generous here. These are really premium pieces. Wow, this is stunning. Now, she actually showed this in one of her recent videos. And I actually commented how nice this coin looked. And it's not a coin that I've actually got in my collection at the moment. Really, really nice looking piece. Really different. I haven't seen this before. So, really nice to actually see it close up. All the world's a stage and all the men and women merely players. And that is so true. Look at that. What a great picture. Really, really nice looking piece of silver. And he's also included 2 ½ ounces. I believe these are ½ ounces. And these are the 2024 Dragon design from the Perth Mint. Yep, ½ ounce there. Really, really nice. I really like the matte finish. And then you've got the kind of proof finish on the Queen. That looks really cool. And this is the Colourized one. And this looks so nice. Look at that. The colours really, really pop. Such a nice looking coin. And again, you've got the normal version here. Exactly the same, just not colourized. And again, absolutely stunning. So let me know in the comment section, Guna Girl, if you're happy for me to do it this way round. But I'd like to keep hold of this for my stack because it's not something I've seen before. And I really, really like the look of this. And also that means that I'll be able to do 2 separate giveaways for these 2 pieces. So instead of just giving away 1 ounce, I can actually separate these and we can do 2 separate giveaways so each person can win ½ an ounce of silver. So let me know in the comment section if you're okay for me to split it that way round. I'll add that one to my stack, which is very, very generous of you. So I really, really appreciate that. And what we'll do is we'll add these to the giveaway chest right now. Let me just find it. Here it is. So this is the giveaway chest. Anything that people donate to my channel for me to give away goes in here, or anything that I personally put up for giveaway goes in here as well. And this is actually quite handy because we're running a little bit low. This has recently been given away on Stackers Social. We recently hit 365 members on the Discord group, and this bar is going to be sent out to the person that won. Really, really nice looking piece, hand poured by Silverpunk. It's got 365 stamped all across the back there, hallmarked as well. Absolutely stunning hand poured piece of art. And like I said, that's already got a home. That'll be sent to the winner very, very soon, within the next couple of days. And this Una and the Lion bar that Sai very, very kindly sent over for the giveaway chest has also now got a home. So again, this will be sent to the winner within the next couple of days. So that only leaves a 1 ounce version of the coins that the Guna Girl has kindly gifted in the chest. So now let's add the 2 ½ ounce versions. So it's actually quite cool. We've got a giveaway chest full of dragon coins, which is quite nice because I know that they're very popular coins. And look how nice that looks. We have 3 coins up for grabs now, 2 ounces in total. So please do head over to Stackers Social Discord group. The link will be in the video description. I'm not sure if I'm going to give these away to people on this channel or whether I'm going to do it on the Discord. So please do join the Discord so you can keep a lookout for how I decide to give these pieces away. There's actually a giveaway bot in the Discord group and it works really well, but you do have to actually click on the giveaway bot to be entered. It doesn't just pick every single member of Stackers Social, so please do keep an eye on Stackers Social for the upcoming giveaways. But yeah, I'm going to wrap the video up there because the video has got really, really long now, so I didn't expect to have so many goodies being sent over, but I really appreciate it. Again, massive shout out to everyone that has sent me something. Nerd UK, We've also got check stacking. And last but not least, we have your time is now. So like I said, please head over to all 3 channels. Please drop them a sub. Look at some of their videos. Let me know in the comments of this video what you think of their channels, if you're already subscribed to their channels, and also let them know that I sent you over as well. So I'm going to wrap it up. My hay fever is causing my voice to slowly go as well, so perfect timing to end the video. As always, thanks very much for watching. Thank you very much for all the support, and I hope you all have a very nice day.